Shalom, Most High in Christ bless. My name is Sister Adina, House of Officer Yehoshua, and we are here today doing a vision board workshop. We've been working with the young daughters of Sarah. We've been talking about gift discovery in our circles after the Sabbath, as well as goal setting. So we've been talking about those things for a couple of months now. And we ended up our workshops with a vision board workshop. The Most High says that without vision, the people perish. So we are putting our visions on our boards. They're going to hang them up in a room where they can see. They set their goals. And now, as you can see, they're having a good time working together and making their vision boards. And it's been a success. And we even have the little sisters of the sisters doing the boards too. So it's been a really good time here today.
Shalom, my name is Paul, and we're making vision boards, and what you put on a vision board is different pictures to remind you of your goals.
Shalom, Most High Christ bless. My name is Eliana from the House of Soldier Amikai. Today I did a vision board, and it's mainly about me becoming healthier and becoming a chef.